Place the toilet precisely over the bolts and seal by lining up bolt centers, stabilizing the flange, and lowering the bowl in one smooth motion. Start by turning off the water and removing the old toilet if needed, then inspect the flange and clean the area around the wax ring surface. Use tape to mark the centers of the bolts on the flange if they are loose or hidden. Press a strip of painter quality tape across the flange and pierce small holes to register the bolt positions, or wrap the bolts with a short length of tape to increase visibility. For large or heavy bowls, recruit a helper to steady the bowl while you guide the bolts. Communicate a count of 3 before lowering, so both of you move together. If the bolts tend to fall over, use bolt guides such as short pieces of PVC pipe or purpose-made plastic guides, or thread a zip tie loosely around each bolt near the base to act as a retainer and trim the excess after seating. Hold the bowl level with both hands, align the holes over the bolts, then lower straight down without rocking so the wax compresses evenly and the flange faces are not stressed. After the bowl is seated, tighten the nuts alternately a quarter turn at a time to avoid cracking, and check for level front to back and side to side before reconnecting water and testing for leaks. The 3 most common mistakes are forcing the bowl down while misaligned, which can shear wax and stress bolts, using uneven tightening that cracks porcelain, and failing to stabilize or guide loose bolts so they fall outward. If the bowl is misaligned, stop and lift straight up, recheck your bolt position, markings, or guides, and try again rather than forcing a corrective angle. To prevent cracking, tighten the seat nuts in small equal increments on each side, and use a torque-limiting approach by feel rather than full strength. If bolts wobble, replace them with new, longer, or thicker bolts, or use simple guides or zip ties to hold them vertical during placement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information related to toilet replacement and seal techniques to help you plan and communicate requirements. We list contractor profiles, let members post project needs, and host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and find recommendations together.